In one of our very first meetings, it's not, you don't sort of just break down with, let's talk about the tasks. Let's talk about the end point. Where do you all want to be? We talk about, our 5-year strategic goals, 10-year strategic goals. Where do we really want to be as a practice? And how can the marketing tools be used to kind of reach whatever those goals are? And I would expect, obviously, I've just seen our sort of algorithm that you've come up with based on our goals. I can imagine that's not necessarily exactly the same for every practice. And, it really has to be customized based on whatever the unique goals or whatever the environment is for that particular practice. But I felt good that, you know, based on our goals, based on how you said we'd get from point A to point B, and have some metrics along the way that didn't just say, hey, we're going to start now and next year, let's see if we got there. You said, hey, every month we're going to say, hey, where are we moving in the right direction? We got a green light, a yellow light, or a red light. And let's look at each of those areas and how we're going to kind of make all those green lights so that when we get to the end point, the process spoke for itself. We don't even have to ask ourselves, did we get here? You just look across, you got green lights, you made it. So the system kind of almost answers your questions real time as you're moving forward. And you feel more comfortable and confident in the process when you see those changes real time and not just, hey, you're in a vacuum, you go off and say you're going to come back in a year and tell us we're going to be there.